Hi friends, I am Sanandana. Welcome back to Sana's Pixie Land.
Daddy, isn't it hot outside?
Yes, Sana. There has been a rise in global temperature in the recent years. That is because of the depletion in the ozone layer.
Oh, is it? What is ozone layer?
Well, that is very interesting. Let us talk about it now.
In this video, let us see what is ozone, importance of ozone layer and what is meant by ozone hole, effects and causes of ozone layer depletion and also the ways to prevent ozone layer depletion. So, let us see what is ozone. It is a layer of gas made of 3 oxygen molecules. It is an invisible protective shield which is present in Earth's upper atmosphere. It was discovered by French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Buzan in the year 1913. Do you know why we use sunscreen lotions and glasses when we go out? It is to protect ourselves from the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Like how we use sunscreen lotion and sunglasses to protect ourselves, the ozone layer acts like a natural umbrella to protect ourselves from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. In the year 1985, scientists discovered hole or reduction in the ozone layer in the Antarctic Circle. This is called ozone depletion, and this has been increasing in recent times. Here are some of the effects of ozone layer depletion on humans. It causes skin cancer, skin allergies, eye problems like cataracts and burning of eyes, premature aging, decreased immunity, and many others. For the environment, ozone layer depletion causes major issues like global warming, which results change in climates, rise in sea level, decreased plant growth and production, endangers marine life, ecological imbalance. This picture depicts the depletion of ozone layer. So let us see what are the major causes of ozone layer depletion. Some of the man-made causes are use of harmful chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons, which is called as CFCs, hydrofluorocarbons, which is called as HCFCs, foam products, refrigerators and air conditioners, cleaning solvents, industrial and domestic air pollution, deforestation and forest fires, use of diesel and petrol engines, and also some of the natural causes. It is our responsibility to protect the ozone layer. Let us see some of the ways to protect it. Use of CFCs should be stopped. Buy and use products which are ozone friendly. For example, use reusable cups instead of foam cups. Avoid using pesticides. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. Reduce industrial and domestic air pollution. Most of all, spreading the awareness amongst the friends and family. The earth without ozone layer is like a house without a roof. So let us do our part in saving this ozone layer from now on.
Friends, this is a poster which I have made for Ozone Day using MS Paint. I hope you like it. I have written this poem with the help of my mother.
Ozone is a layer in the atmosphere which filters harmful UV rays from the sun. Ozone is a gas made of oxygen which protects us like a shield. Ozone is slowly disappearing and we are the ones causing. Ozone's condition is making us worried, but it's still in our hands to make it healed. Let's join hands in spreading this awareness. Save ozone, save Earth.
Okay, Sana. I hope now you understand better about the ozone layer.
Yes, Daddy, I understood. And thank you for sharing all this information with me. I will share with my friends and neighbors.
Very good, Sana.
Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.